Okay guys, so I know it is hard to see what I am about to do. So what I am about to do is open up the hair. You should have two strands, a left and a right. Open up your strands. Then place the extension right in the middle. And it's a certain way that you want to lay the extension. Make sure it's right in the middle where that little flip part starts. What I do is combine the two legs of our real hair, and I am going to use a rubber band to rubber band her hair in place. I find this way is better and it holds tighter with the rubber band right there versus doing it another way, because everybody got a different way, but this is the way I found that was easy. I also have another way too that I'm going to include that I found on YouTube, a great YouTube video. You might like that. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking one of the legs and one of her strands, all of the strands of her real hair, and braiding it into that leg of the extension. Only one, remember the other one is open because it's double ended. Okay, now I'm taking that rubber band and wrapping that around her hair. I'm making sure I wrap it around really good, so I can make sure all her hair is down in the rubber band and everything is hidden. Okay, I am putting one more just to be on the safe side to make sure all of her hair is in, because her hair is kind of long. When the hair is kind of longer, you just have to make sure that you put the rubber band around, because you don't want none of her hair coming out. Okay, and then I take the other end and I close it. So it's kind of, I hope that makes sense.